Use 91. Oh man. Perfect. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day, and every time you subscribe, look to the left. Look to the right side of the subscribe button. Click that Taco Bell symbol, which is a little bell. That way, every time I post a video, you'll be notified every single second of me posting the video. You know what I'm saying? Be the first one to leave a comment. But anyways, I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys watching this video. I hope everybody is accomplishing whatever it is that they want to do today and in life, man. I hope everybody out here wins. Everybody that follow me, I hope you all win and be successful in life, man. Real talk. I'm excited. As you can see, the title of this video, I officially got another sponsor, which I'm excited for. And this is something I've been wanting to work with. This is a company that I've been wanting to work with for the longest, for the last half a year. I've been wanting to work with them, but I wanted to see if I can get a sponsorship. That way it'd be more easier and I can do way more, much faster. And great news is today I got the feedback, response back from the owner, I believe, and it's official. I officially have a sponsorship with DOWNFORCESOLUTIONS down in SoCal. I'm excited now. I can get my body kit. Well, not the body kit, but I get the rear diffuser, the splitter, and I'm going to be getting the side skirts and anything that they come out in the future with that I want to do, I'm going to do it. And it's going to be an epic modification. And what I'm going to do is, instead of me ordering and just have it shipped to my house, I had to hit them up and let them know that I'm interested in coming down that way. So probably another two weeks max, 2 to 3 weeks. I'm planning on going down there and I can vlog it, which will make much more better content. That way you guys can see, you know, it get installed and we can meet the people down at the headquarters. So I'm excited. Man, it's so much more sponsorships I got trying to work right now. I'm still waiting on a few more responses to some companies that I have proposed an opportunity for me to be sponsored with them. So I'm still waiting on some more feedbacks, some big companies. So it's taking a while, but hopefully it goes through. But like I said, DOWNFORCESOLUTIONS, I'm super excited to be a part of the company. And if any one of you guys from DOWNFORCESOLUTION, anybody from the staff looking at this video, man, I truly appreciate you guys. And I'm definitely excited to help you guys as well with promotion and just continue to show an awesome build and show them awesome parts that you guys do deliver. I'm excited. I've been waiting for the Flash to get these type of modifications. I've been waiting on the splitter. I've been waiting on doing the rear diffuser and the side skirts. And now it's time for me to get all of it done. And it's about to be beast mode. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I've been waiting on this for the longest. And I was hoping that I do get approved for a sponsorship. And I'm glad that they allow me to be a part of the family. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be dope, man. But I'm on my way to work, you know what I'm saying, out here still wearing the Immortal Society Trust the Bill hoodie. The black hoodies are going crazy. You guys are ordering so many black hoodies, is ridiculous. I mean, I didn't even, like, the black hoodie is like the #1 seller on my website right now. Like, everybody's ordering the black hoodies. It's time to pay the toll. It is so expensive to get on the Bay Bridge. Every day I have to pay. Oh, today's $5. Usually it's like $6, $7, but today's $5. I could do it. I could do it. Alrighty. How you doing, ma'am? Alrighty. So how often is it $5? Is it every other?
Just remember the rush hour is $7.
Oh.
That's 5.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You have a nice one. Alrighty. Thank you. Bye-bye. Turbo boost gang. But yeah, driving on the Bay Bridge. It's a beautiful day in the Bay Area, man. I'm about to raise the window down once I'm done recording this video. But like I said, man, I'm super excited. I'm happy about everything that's going down. Sponsorships are coming in. My company, my clothing line, Immortal Society, man, we are selling units, man. It's crazy. I did not think, man, it's going well, man. I'm just telling you guys, the sales are going crazy. You guys are ordering so many stuff. It's crazy. I even got one person ordering the second time. He already ordered something. So like I said, the first 20 people that order on my website will get 20% off the next time they go shopping. And right now, the top 20 people is starting to get slim. So if you want to be a part of the first 20 customers, make sure you guys go down below the video, click the link, it takes you straight to the website, and order you some merch, man. We even got sweatpants now to match the hoodies and stuff. So make sure you guys go cop you guys some gear, man. It's crazy. We are really selling out. But I want to thank everybody, and I just want to let this be known. Down4 Solutions is official sponsors. I'm excited. I'm super excited. So I got my City Muffler sponsor. I got my Down4 Solutions sponsor, which I'm super excited about. It's just getting started, y'all. The build is about to get crazy. The body kit, white body kit, is coming soon. Stay tuned, y'all. But I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'm on my way to work. Just want to give you guys some update, and stay tuned, man. We're growing every day, man. The numbers is doing great, man. Thank you guys for all the support. I truly appreciate you guys. Love you guys so much. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay tuned for the next video. We out.